that means if you work abroad also doesn't mean anything ना. आप अगर abroad जाएं और वापस यहाँ आए आपकी salary बढ़ेगी वो पता नहीं मुझे. तो I don't know. It's the same thing.
This is Shama Bhagat here. Would like to ask you, have you been on any adventure, and have you seen wildlife in life?
Well, in India, I mean, there are very few places where you could spot, of course, wildlife in such close proximity. But of course, I'm obsessed with the tiger, so I've been to Ranthambore, and we sat in a jeep for nearly 6 and a half hours, both me and Saif. And I think the whole experience was actually so surreal that the fact that, they're so close. And I thought I would be scared, The first feeling is that, oh my God, But you realize that when you're that close, it's actually, I think it's the best feeling. Another moment that made me actually thank God that I'm alive and absolutely feel alive. So I think that, Ranthambore is actually was one of my most beautiful trips. And to be so close, I'm sure I would recommend everyone to go there.
करीना, आपके बेटे तैमूर को लेके बहुत सारे विवाद हुए हैं. इस दौरान आपके मन में क्या चल रहा था? हमने सुना है कि सैफ ने कहीं कहा भी था कि वो चाह रहे थे कि वो उनका नाम बदल दे और आपने उन्हें रोका. तो ये क्या सच है?
Sir, one small humble request. This is pertaining to the news channel, the new channel which is launching. जो आपका है आप बाद में पूछ सकते हैं. You might just get a chance with her. But right now we're going to feel alive with Sony BBC Earth. Give it up for our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, Sumit.
23 days and you are looking so fabulous and awesome.
23 days नहीं, 63 days.
नहीं, 5 तारीख से Lakme Fashion Week.
हाँ, तभी से यार. हाँ.
You always.
आप calculate कर रहे हो हर event. 23 days, 63 days from delivery, 23 days.
Many congratulations for being part of this.
Thank you.
You never fail to surprise us with जब लोग सोच रहे होते हैं आप इससे comeback करेंगे, उससे comeback करेंगे, and then you come up with something new.
But कौन सा comeback अभी 9 महीने में आप लोग ने इतने photos लिए, इतने interviews लिए, थक नहीं गए आपको? कौन सा comeback?
नहीं, the break.
I didn't go anywhere.
The break.
I want to go now.
So how they plan to be a part of this? This
association.
Sony, yeah.
Sony BBC Earth. I think the association is, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, that I think that जो मेरी personality है, I think it's very similar to the concept of Sony BBC Earth. Very, very vivacious, very, very happy. I'm a very happy person. और जो भी content है Sony BBC Earth पे, I think it's all about adventure, it's all about nature, it's all about happiness, positivity. And I think that's very similar to the kind of person I am. So I think the coming together of being the Feel Alive ambassador and being the face of Sony BBC Earth, I think it's a great honor, a great privilege to be a part of this, to be able to spread such wonderful content.
आप होस्ट कर रहे होंगे कुछ शोज या मतलब हर वीक आपको चेहरा देखने को मिलेगा क्या, ऐसा है?
नहीं, हर वीक तो एड्स तो होंगे for sure, because जैसे आपने देखा कैंपेन जो हम लोग ने शूट किया, which is so gorgeous and so beautiful, and जिस तरह हम लोग ने शूट भी किया है, I think this is one of the first campaigns where I actually felt that I'm not shooting, I'm just being myself. I'm being exactly the way I am as a person. So I think that campaign hopefully will be running, of course, on the channels, and there'll be billboards. So don't worry, Sumit, you will get to see a lot of me.
Okay. Nextly, I just want to ask you कि when Indian actors, in a capacity of the brand ambassador of this channel, when Indian actors go abroad and work in TV shows or films, and when they come back, do you think they get better deals, better remuneration, and better brands?
I didn't understand your question only.
मतलब मेरा ये है कि जब इंडियन एक्टर्स बाहर जाके काम करके आते हैं, like whether they work in TV or films, and when they again come back टू इंडिया, आपको लगता है जो उनको ब्रांड्स होते हैं वो वैल्यू ज़्यादा करते हैं, रिम्यूनरेशन ज़्यादा मिलता है एंड दे आर बेटर डील्स मिलते हैं? लाइक वर्किंग इन अब्रॉड डज मेक देम अ बिगर ब्रांड?
No, that means if you work abroad also doesn't mean anything, ना. आप अगर abroad जाएं और वापस यहाँ आए, आपकी सैलरी बढ़ेगी वो पता नहीं मुझे. तो I don't know. It's the same thing. कि आप हॉलीवुड में काम कर रहे हो, यहाँ काम कर रहे हो. I think your brand value is as much as you deliver, and I think it is as much as what your personality is. हर एक ब्रांड की एक पर्सनैलिटी होती है.
Very intelligent. Thank you so much.
I am very intelligent.
हाय करीना. या अब जब आप सोनी चैनल को, बीबीसी अर्थ को प्रमोट कर रही हैं, तो क्या अब आगे जाके हमें किसी रियलिटी शो के जज या किसी तरह से और जुड़ाव किसी चैनल पे या किसी शो में, क्योंकि सैफ पहले एक रियलिटी शो में जज बन चुके हैं, तो आगे ऐसा कोई देखना होगा? वो चैनल बंद हो गया जो मैं सैफ की बात कर रहा हूँ.
कौन सा था?
9X.
I don't think he was a judge on anything. I don't think he ever has been. But I mean, ऐसे कभी सोचा नहीं है that whether I will be doing reality or judging. ऐसे, I mean, there are no plans. I'm not against it, but I don't know. I mean, there's no ऐसे such particular thought कि ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है. It depends. जैसे अगर मेरी personality अगर मेरे वक्त को सूट करे तो I don't know. उस टाइम पे मेरा क्या मन होगा.
और टेलीविजन में आप क्या क्या देखना पसंद करती हैं, अगर मैं पूछूं इसके अलावा जो आपने बताया कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम
Of course, I think that हर एक को एडवेंचर और नेचर बहुत पसंद है. खास करके हमारे इंडिया में इतनी नेचर और एडवेंचर है, एंड वी डोंट गेट टू सी इट, बट आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक टू वॉच दैट. लाइक आई लव, मी एंड सैफ लव टू वॉच नेचर, वाइल्ड लाइफ, एडवेंचर, नेचुरल हिस्ट्री. जब भी वक्त मिलता है, चाहे वैन में हो या हम लोग घर पे हो, डेफिनेटली वी आर ऑलवेज वॉचिंग नेचुरल हिस्ट्री शोज. And apart from that, of course, a lot of comedy, a lot of the different, हर एक channel की अपनी USP होती है. And like everybody else, I also watch TV quite often and like to relax and unwind. Watching a nice adventure show is something that I think husband and wife as a couple, क्योंकि इन्हें तो हमेशा कभी कभी रिमोट के लिए झगड़ा होता है. But I think Saif and me rarely fight over this because we enjoy watching adventure shows together. So Sony BBC Earth, at least we're going to comfortably put our feet back and watch all the content.
करीना, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. करीना, आप मानते हैं कि इन दिनों सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म काफ़ी डेंजरस हो गया है, खास करके सिलेब्स के लिए, या फिर कोई ओपिनियन रखना हो तो भी मतलब लोग ट्रॉल्स करना शुरू कर देते, तो आप मानते हैं कि काफ़ी डेंजरस है सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म?
Well, I'm not on social media, and मुझे I definitely feel that. इसलिए I think I'm one of the few actors that are not on Instagram or Twitter. क्योंकि definitely I think that life is beautiful. इतनी खूबसूरती है दुनिया में, और हर चीज़ पे opinion देना, I think that I'm not somebody like that. I don't like to give my opinion. So I rather watch Sony BBC Earth, put my feet up and watch a nice show and some good content than, troll somebody on Twitter or Instagram.
Okay, Kareena, recently Rangoon release हुई है और कंगना और सैफ की केमिस्ट्री को काफ़ी प्रेज किया गया है. Then when you and Saif coming back on screen?
Well, that is something I don't know. I think whenever there's a good script के ऊपर depend होता है, chemistry के ऊपर नहीं. Chemistry भी अच्छी होती है जब script अच्छी होती है. So whenever there's a good script, I'm sure we'll work together.
There are a few Bollywood heroines who have made it really big in the South. But instead of Kareena Kapoor having a big, huge fan following in the South, we haven't seen her in any Southern movies. Given that you get a performance-oriented script, would you go ahead and do that in any South-oriented or South films?
I respect such, they have such great content. All South films, I truly respect and admire them. There's some great actors from Pawan Kalyan to Rajni sir to, so many people are doing such great work, to Mammootty sir. They all do, different content, whether it's Tamil or whether it's, Malayalam cinema, it's all great. But I don't understand the language. So I feel that if I don't understand the language, the connectivity will not be there. That's the only problem. But having said that, I have done one of my career best roles with one of the greatest directors in South, which was Mani Ratnam. So I've had the opportunity of working with him, which was wonderful, and I'll always cherish that.
Thank you so much. So, as a photographer and a nature lover, I've been watching channels like Discovery Channel and National Geographic all over the years. So, I'm curious to know, how is the content on Sony BBC Earth different from the main competing channels, which we all have been seeing since so many years?
I think this has a lot of heart. It has a lot of stories that are very humane, very relatable, even in terms of adventure or natural history or wildlife. Like I told you, even if it's a penguin, if it's an antelope, you feel very humane towards it. You feel like this could happen to you. The hardships they go through, the hunts, the search for food, the dives, different things. I think it's all so humane and so relatable. So of course Sony BBC Earth, with no offense to any other channel, will have a lot more of heart, a lot more soul, and heart-wrenching stories.